I am here documenting my progress on this project to turn an old filing cabinet, which I picked up off Facebook Marketplace for about 15 bucks. And we're going to refinish it, get the rust out. I've already finished putting painter's tape on some of the parts that I do not want painted. So this is the shiny chrome pieces on the filing cabinet here. You can see a good amount of rust right down there. I'm going to have to take care of that. And we've got some scrapes and scratches in general. Again, most of the rust is down here. My plan is to scratch a lot of this rust off with a wire or a steel bristle brush, then sand it down a little bit with some sandpaper and get it smooth to the touch. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with this right here. We got some Rust-Oleum spray paint black. Now that I've finished preparing the cabinet, it is time to apply the paint. So I'm about to give it even coat. This should only take one, so I got a 2-coat paint, but we'll see how it looks and assess it from there. So here we go. And that bottom drawer is out because it's got a lot of rust right at the bottom, so this will help protect it. No, I just ran out. So we actually ran out of paint and had to go get some more. So I got my second can here ready to go, and we will finish this up here and let it dry. All right, had a bit of a snafu with the spray paints. Ran into something called biting. Yeah, spray paint gets the second coat gets put over the first coat a little too late in the game, but also not early enough for it to be fully cured. There's a chemical reaction that happens that actually causes the paint to crack and bubble up. Sand away that layer or that area that had the cracking effect on it, and then I went over with a light dusting to give it one little really tiny layer of paint so it wouldn't happen again. Waited about 45 minutes, came back, dusted it again with another small layer just to kind of get some more coverage, get some extra layers of paint, and definitely got it covered up a little better than I thought it would, but it's even way better than it used to be with the cracking. Because it's black, not very noticeable. I just wanted to show you guys the final product after all of that heartache with the spray paint. So I'll just give you a quick tour about it. So here we go. Here's our cabinet in place, fully painted, and it is doing its job, holding items. So I want to check out what I did specifically for comic book storage. So you can see, open this up, and I actually custom made these little dividers. Pretty straightforward, just cardboard cut to the exact dimensions, duct tape for the edges to keep them secure, and then you can kind of see in the back here some foam just cut to size to keep them safe. I can fit about 250 comics in each row, so it's pretty spacious. I try to keep it to 225 actually, just to make sure it's not so snug. But you can see I got these dividers here that lay flat, so the drawer can still close, but it still keeps everything nice and organized for me. You see that there's the big one right there, spectacular number 1. But it's just a nice way to keep everything organized, so I don't have boxes, sitting all around my office. And you can see that it came out pretty well. I got rid of the biting issue. There's some more comics, just have them in organized by year here. And then we got some files and stuff at the top cabinets. But as you can see, we had some issues with biting before, and I've mostly cleaned all that up. So yeah, overall, I'd say a pretty successful project. Thank you guys for checking out my video, and I will catch you next time.